So students, let us see about rivers. Okay, so here the Himalayan rivers. We know Himalayan rivers are, that is, originate from the Himalayan mountains, and there will be one more peninsular region, that is flatlands, right? So we'll see here Himalayan rivers. Which are the Himalayan rivers in this region? Okay, that is Indus originates the here, and Jhelum is there, Ravi is there, and then Satluj. Okay, so then Chenab is here flowing. Okay, so these are the rivers. So Chenab is flowing from, starting from here, right? So this is Ravi, this is Satluj. Okay, so these are the rivers. And Brahmaputra mainly starts from Tripura, that is Tibet, and comes to here, right? Flows through the Tibet and comes to Assam. Okay, so this is Ganga river, originates in Tibet, right? Yes, originates in Tibet. So they merge. Okay, so Yamuna river flows through the what? That is
Sir,
Delhi.
Himalayas.
Yes, Himalayan mountains. It originates and then comes down, flows through the Delhi and joins the Ganga. Okay. Yes. So they both, Brahmaputra and Ganga and Yamuna, join here, and they drain in the Bay of Bengal. Okay. So here,
Sir, that
chain.
place largest
Hmm,
delta no sir, Ganga Brahmaputra delta.
yes. Yes. Okay. So these are all what flowing and joining the Indus, Jhelum. That is all the Himalayan rivers are joining the Arabian Sea here. Okay, so we will see deltas. What do you mean by deltas? That is Indus basin, that is the whole area. This whole area is in Indus basin. Okay, so those will be coming Indus river here. Can you see here? So those all rivers combinedly join here, and then it flows as Indus river, right? That is Indus basin. So all these areas, then from that area whole water goes to Indus river. Okay, so this area Indus basin we say, right? So this is Ganga basin. This whole water goes to Ganga river, right? That is Ganga basin. Okay, yes. So that is next. Here it is Mahi basin, Narmada basin. Okay, so Narmada basin, Tapi basin, Mahanadi is there, right? So these are all different river. Kaveri basin here, Krishna basin is in which, that is Andhra Pradesh and Telangana. The Godavari basin is Andhra Pradesh, right? So Pennar basin, that is in Tamil Nadu. Okay, so these are the mainly rivers. Okay,
Sir,
so
where is Kaveri basin?
Kaveri
In
basin is Karnataka, that is in the south part, right?
okay, sir.
South part of the Karnataka here, this much. Then after that it goes, flows through the what?
Tamil
Tamil
Nadu.
Nadu. Yes, it flows through Tamil Nadu. So you can see here, and joins the what?
Bay of Bengal.
Bay of Bengal here.
In
This side is Bay of Bengal, right? Sea, that is ocean, Bay of Bengal. Okay, yes. So joins the Bay of Bengal. Okay. So here different rivers are given, right? So that is Yamuna, Godavari, Mahanadi here. Mahanadi joins Bay of Bengal. Tapi is the Godavari joins the Bay of Bengal. Krishna joins the Bay of Bengal. Kaveri joins the Bay of Bengal. The rivers which join Arabian Sea are the Himalayan, that is from the Indus basin. Okay, Indus, Jhelum, Ravi, Sutlej, China, they join and become Indus. Okay, so Brahmaputra also joins the Bay of Bengal. Okay,
yes,
Brahmaputra,
sir.
Ganga, Yamuna, Mahanadi, they are all join the Bay of Bengal. Narmada and Tapi joins the Arabian Sea. Godavari, Krishna, Kaveri joins the Bay of Bengal. Okay, so we'll study about them in brief. Yes, we'll study about them in brief. So we know Himalayan, that is originate in the Himalaya region. Yes.
Yes.
Okay. So see here. So that is three main Himalayan rivers, that is Indus, Ganga and Brahmaputra. They originate in Himalaya region, right here. So they originate in Himalayan region. So this is Himalayan region, starts from here to here, right? Himalaya mountain range. Yes, this is
Sir,
Himalayan mountain
all
range.
Nepal country only mountains.
Yes, Himalayan mountain range. Okay. Yes. So these rivers long are joined many tributaries along with form a river system, that is tributaries. So Indus Valley system. So in the Indus Valley system, these rivers starts from Tibet near Mansarovar, right? We just now saw it flows west to the India and Ladakh district in Jammu Kashmir, and tributaries that join Indus in this region are Jaksar, Narba. You don't need all remember this, just remember where it originates. So it originates in Mansarovar, Tibet. Okay, these rivers flow through the Balstin, Gilgit, and so you don't need to remember all that because it is not asked. In Pakistan, the Satluj, Bees, Ravi, and Chenab and the Jhelum join the Indus in Mithankot. So these join Indus, they become in that is only one river. So here can you see here in the Pakistan, this side is Pakistan. So they join here and drain into Arabian Sea. Okay. So that much you just have to remember. You don't remember all of it. Okay. So beyond this, river flows through the southward and reaches Arabian Sea. That much is remember. Which is east of Karachi. You don't need and all that. World's longest river with a total length of 2,900. It is Indus is one of the world's longest. Right. The length is 2,900. So remember that much is enough. Okay. This much. So most of the Indus basin located in Jammu Kashmir, Himachal Pradesh and Punjab. The rest of the river system is located in Pakistan. Okay. So this much about Indus Valley. So these are the mainly Indus river, that is Indus originates from where? It originates in Tibet. Mansarovar, here can you see here? Yes, this is coming from here, Tibet Mansarovar, and then it is flowing towards this side. Yes, here this river, right? So it is going Indus. Okay, so that is Indus river. It is one of the longest. Okay, so
Our
next,
Bengal river.
yes, next is Ganga river. So Ganga river, Bhagirathi, which is headwaters of the Ganga, is fed by the Gangotri glacier. So it originates, where does origin Ganga river?
Gangotri glaciers.
Gangotri, it originates from Gangotri, so in the Himalayan foot ranges, right? So can you see here Himalaya? So this is Ganga is there, right? Ganga is coming from here, that is in the Gangotri. It will originate here in India. Okay, so Gangotri glaciers, these are the Himalayan mountains. So this is where it originates. Here also Pakistan is there, right? That is Nepal, that is China is there. So Nepal, through the Nepal it comes. Okay. So here it is joined by Alaknanda at Devaprayag in Uttarakhand. Okay, so then when it joins Alaknanda, so in Uttarakhand, so then it flows down. The Ganga emerges at Haridwar, joins from mountains on the plain. Many major rivers join the Ganga, which include Yamuna and what? Gandak and Koshi. These three rivers join Ganga. Okay, so Yamuna, Gangara and Gagara and Gandak, Kosi. The river Yamuna emerges from the Yamunotri glacier in Himalaya. So Ganga river originates in Yamunotri. Okay, so meets Ganga at Allahabad in right bank. Okay, that is Allahabad name is changed into what? Which? Yes, it is Prayagraj. Yes, now it is changed as Prayagraj. Okay, fine. So this is where? In UP. So it is joining here, right? In UP, Yamuna and Ganga. So that is Prayagraj. Okay. So next, the Ghagara and Gandak Kosi tributaries which come from peninsular under the Chambal between Sun river Ganga flows eastwards. That you don't need to remember. Okay. So remember the length of the Ganga. What is the length of the Ganga? More than 2500. Over 2500 means more than 2500. So you don't need to remember all this. Okay. Just remember first paragraph and the length of the river. Okay. So next is Brahmaputra rivers. So Brahmaputra river rises from Tibet of Mansarovar Lake, east of Mansarovar Lake. So can you see here? Yes. So this is originating in Tibet here and coming down. So here Brahmaputra, here it is coming, right? So from here it comes here, Brahmaputra basin. Okay. So then where it goes? So very close to the source of the Indus and Satluj. It is slightly longer than Indus. Its course mostly lies outside India. The Brahmaputra mainly flows through which that is Tibet. Okay. So then all the water from the Tibet is catched and it comes through the Assam, right? It comes through the Assam. So that is where mainly water will be used. Okay. So Brahmaputra then flows through eastwards parallel to the Himalaya. It enters India in Arunachal Pradesh. Yes. So it enters the Arunachal Pradesh and through Assam it flows. Okay. It is joined by Dibang, Lohit and many other tributaries in Assam. Yes, Dibang and Lohit rivers. So unlike the north rivers, Brahmaputra forms huge deposit of slit on its bed, causing rivers bed to rise. Yes, so the mountains are there, right? That is, Tibet is a mountain region. So those are all, when it flows down, it carries the soil erosion. Soil, due to soil erosion, it carries the soil. So that soil will be deposited when it floods, right? So it causes the river bed will rise every year. So what will happen? That is why flooding will also happen. Yes.
Sir, northeast part is so much flooded area.
Yes, Bihar, that is all. That is Uttar Pradesh, Bihar, then Assam, then all these areas will be very flooded.
Bengal.
Yes, Bengal, because the rivers are huge rivers. Because of the Himalayan region, all the water will be flowing down because of the Himalayas. So that is why water will be more, it get flooded. Okay. Yes. So next, that is about peninsular rivers. So should we study tomorrow or should we study now? So
Tomorrow.
okay, peninsular region, yes, yes. So that is here, peninsular means from the flat land. These are all, apart from Ganga river, whatever is here, that is originates here, this is all Himalayan region. So these are all are what now? That is peninsular region. Okay, that is flat land. Okay, so they originate, some originate in Western Ghats, right? Yes. So here if you see Western Ghats, which runs through the north to south close to the west coast, forms the main divide in the peninsular region. The major rivers which flow into the Bay of Bengal include Mahanadi, Godavari and Krishna and Kaveri. So the Narmada and Tapi are the only long rivers which flow through the west, makes the estuaries. Okay, so we'll study, yes, we will study it tomorrow. Okay.